Imagine waking up tomorrow and your digital assistants finally started to work together instead of acting as separate islands. Your calendar automatically rescheduling when you are running late, your shopping list updating based on your receipts you saved, and your work apps collaborating without you lifting a single finger. This isn't science fiction. It's what Google's brand new Agent2Agent Protocol offers you right now. In this video, I'm breaking down Google's A2A protocol, the new technology that's about to revolutionize how AI systems talk to each other. Whether you are a tech enthusiast or just curious about the future of AI, the next minutes I will show you why A2A might be the biggest AI breakthrough of 2025. So what is A2A? In short, A2A stands for Agent to Agent. Think of an AI agent as a program, bot or automated assistant designed to handle specific tasks like scheduling, searching, or analyzing data. Now imagine you want your smart calendar, your project management tool, and maybe your sales app, all separate bots, to work together automatically so they can communicate to each other. That's what A2A enables. It's a standard protocol, kind of like a universal language that allows different AI agents, even ones that made from different companies, to talk to each other, to share information securely and collaborate to solve problems together in real time. And by the way, Google's A2A protocol does not replace MCP. It's designed to work alongside with Anthropic's Model Context Protocol, in short MCP, while A2A connects different AI agents together so they can collaborate. MCP helps individual agents to access external tools and data, so together they make AI systems much more powerful and flexible. Why this is a big deal? Before A2A, connecting AI agents usually meant manually programming integrations. So each agent had to know exactly how the other agents work. That's a big pain and everything breaks easily when anything changes. A2A changes the game by letting agents discover each other's abilities on the fly and learn how to communicate with each other securely using a shared set of rules. Imagine you want to hire a new team member for your company. One AI agent can post the job. Another one finds and screens the applicants. A third schedules the interviews. All these agents cooperate automatically, even if they come from different companies, because A2A connects them together. A2A is built around the concept of agent cards. An agent card is like a smart name tag for each AI agent, listing its capabilities and how others can interact with them. When, for example, Agent A wants to work with Agent B, it fetches Agent B's card, just like getting instructions when meeting someone new. All communication happens through a common open source standard A2A protocol. So you could have a sales agent running on one cloud, a financial agent on the other hand built with any fancy framework in another cloud, and an analytic agent hosted somewhere else. A2A lets them all communicate together, regardless of how or where they are built. And also very important, A2A is, as mentioned, open source, so anyone can build on it, which is crucial for rapid technology growth, and also allows everyone to check the code to see if it is secure. So what are the real world benefits and challenges? What's so powerful about A2A is not just the standard itself, but freedom and reliability. It makes it easier to add, upgrade, or replace agents without everything breaking, since each agent dynamically learns about the others at runtime. But there are also some challenges we need to consider. The systems get more complex. Testing and security become trickier, and different agents might distribute it all over the place, sort of like microservices. Google is already working on these issues, and over time, expect these systems to become more reliable and easier to use. So what is next for A2A and for you? A2A is still very new, but dozens of big tech companies are already on board, so it could soon become an industry standard. Whether you are a developer, a tech enthusiast, or a business owner, learning about A2A is, in my view, a smart move and keeps you up for the future. It represents a step towards the future where AI systems not only get smarter individually, but also work together like a digital team to achieve bigger, more more complex tasks. That's it for this short introduction. If you'd like to see a deeper dive in this topic, take a look at Cole's video here where he explains it in more detail. And if you just want to start with your local AI development, building your own workflows and other stuff, take a look at my other videos here and get started. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Have a nice day. Bye.